Nation, the Queen Quet head, the body is Gullah Geechee Nation, wiring out right around the Orange office until now in South Kakalaki in the Gullah Geechee Nation. We're careful and chilling on the lead journey through this year estuary. This year is Salt Marsh estuary. And one of the things that we done tried to do is we done work with this year group called View. And another thing called Surpass, you understand? And so we done talked with the whole U.S. government alphabet soup. But save 1 million acres of what Hunter children see out Jordan. The salt marsh. Now I know if Hunter in there from the island, the one that says that what we done throw in the basket. No, what we sow into the basket, not we sow into the basket, the sweetgrass. Now, if you remember the Bible, that Hunter know about the bulrush. So bulrush be out there too and things like that. But you'll get about the spartina, the spartina grass, and all of this here how we connect up. And from the barrier island to what Hunter Yeddi about called the Sea Island, from Jacksonville, North Kakalaki down to Jacksonville, Florida, you can see the salt in part of wheat. Not just in the air, but out there with this your marsh. All of this here, salty, just like the big ocean and thing on the other side of the sea. So we done going out here today for a lead journey over to the next island next to St. Helena. As part of we, Gullah Geechee sustainability, we have to go out Jonah and see what we see in the sea. So come on y'all, take this year, lead Gullah Geechee journey with me.
Someone's throwing up bycatch.
Yeah.
And they know that they can
like we coming to tell our own story, dude. Like how y'all trying to talk. Yeah, they like we ready. Like where the fish at?
Oh really?
Check it to look at they are staring down. Like come on with it. We know you're in there. They sound like they Gullah Geechee. If we could get more than one fish, we prefer that too. And so you're the elder, and this is one of these that's pregnant now, another elder and a child. Oh, so y'all flying together. Y'all teaching the young ones. I see how that is. So it's an elder and a juvie that keeps flying together. Beautiful. It's the same thing way out there.
And something in the way of like 50% of all your marine fish will spend their developmental years in ecosystems. So really important for those initial stages of life.